Pride. So this story starts from a plane in which Indian citizen Omkar and American citizen Liam were traveling together to go to some country. The journey was quite long and there was not much to do in the plane. Omkar remained mature and calm, engrossed in his meditation. But Liam, who has a very playful nature, was struggling with his boredom. In such a situation, Liam thought of a way to pass the time. He felt that he was a citizen of America, an advanced and developed country, where many new scientific discoveries are being made every day and very intelligent people live. And he is also no less intelligent, so how much would the people of India know compared to his knowledge? Why not take advantage of this and humiliate Omkar a bit? Thinking like this, Liam said to Omkar, Omkar, do one thing, we play a game, the game in which we will ask each other questions. Because our country is much richer and more intelligent than your country, so if I cannot answer any of your questions, I will give you $1 million, but if you are unable to answer any of my questions, then you will have to pay just 500 rupees. Omkar immediately fled his pride after listening to Liam and started thinking how to break his pride. After some thinking, he agreed to this game. Omkar said to Liam, come on, you ask the first question. Liam asked, tell me, what is the name of the biggest galaxy in the sky? Omkar thought a little and then took out 500 rupees from his pocket and gave it to Liam and said, I don't know. IK 1101 is the name of the largest galaxy in the universe. Liam said, okay, now it's your turn to ask questions. Liam said to Omkar. Omkar asked his question, tell me, which creature in the world climbs Everest with 4 legs but returns on 3 legs? Liam kept thinking for a long time but he could not think of anything. He also asked his staff who came with him but no one knew anything. He became so frustrated that he even called the scientists of his country and asked for the answer to this question, but no one had the answer. Eventually Liam transferred $1 million to Omkar's account and then started pleading Omkar that it is okay, I have lost, now tell me what is the correct answer to this? Omkar was sitting very calmly watching all this and was smiling in his heart seeing Liam's condition. When Liam asked him to answer this question, he very calmly took out 500 rupees from his pocket and placed it in Liam's hands. And he said, even I don't know the answer to this.